Hi and welcome to the tutorial on how to change pitch and tempo. So the first thing you need is to import the audio track, which sounds like this.
Get back! Squirrels can't talk! Hey, whoa, what?
And you can see it's a quote from the Alvin and the Chipmunks film. And what we're going to do is try and get this section of the audio, which I've highlighted here with my selection tool.
Hey, whoa, wow, watch it, genius! We're chipmunks! Chipmunks!
To sound like a chipmunk. So we go to Effect, Change Pitch, and you can see here that you have got a slider on your frequency percentage. If you keep it at 0 and click on Preview, it takes a while to do the conversion, and then it will play what it sounds like.
Hey, whoa, wow, watch it, genius!
And obviously at 0% you haven't changed it at all. But if you increase it to, I would say, about between 70 and 80%, I'm going to go with that one there, 76, and now press Preview. It'll sound it.
Hey, whoa, watch it, genius! We're chipmunks! Chipmunks!
And you can see that's about right, but you can have a play with the different percentages. So when you click OK there, this will make the change permanently on the selection of that audio track. As you can see, it's just changed. You also need to do it in the last bit, which sounds like this.
Well, our lips are moving and words are coming out.
So if again I go to Effect, Change Pitch, you can see it's actually set to the same, which is about 76, 78, 79, about that should do it. And again, if I click OK, it's going to take a while just to make the change, just to process it. And when I press play now,
well, our lips are moving and words are coming out.
That's Alvin speaking. So now the whole thing should play.
Get back! Squirrels can't talk!
Hey, whoa,
And that's good. It's also a bit slow, so I'm going to highlight the whole of the track, go back to Effect, and this time I'm going to pick Change Tempo, which basically is the speed. And what I'm going to do is, again, if I have my percentage at 0, the change in speed will be 0. There won't be any change. If I increase it by, say, I would say between 10 and 15%, about that, and Preview.
Get back! Squirrels can't talk!
Hey, whoa, watch it, genius! We're
That's about the right percentage change. If I click OK, you can see how it's shortened the audio track. I'm just going to remove these gaps here as well, and this is me just shortening a bit more, and that's how I should edit this particular audio track. Thank you.